Good morning. This is Street View Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today?
Today we're listening to Gomel FM 101.3 out of Gomel, Belarus. Let's see what they're spinning.
Think you know it, too cool to show it. Baby, you're so good, you're too good. Touch me in the way that you do, no matter who's in the room. I see you sweating when you feel it going full up, baby. Touch me in the way that you do, no matter who's in the room. I see you.
Don't speak, you know just what you're saying. So please stop explaining. Don't tell me cause it hurts.
People that impatient, but you're patient with me. I'm surprised you haven't left me yet.
Only say you love me when we're naked, when you're banging on my bedroom door. Only say you love me.
Enjoy these songs at full length by following the YouTube links below or by listening to Street View Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap.
If you find yourself in Gomel, check out I Am a Doctor clothing store for all your scrub needs, or check out the Homeo Fat Factory for butters and oils.
Thanks for listening.